All right, guys, just wanted to do a quick video. It's been a while since I've done a video. Usually like to do some reviews on products that I really think are a good value. This is Berryman tire seals. It's similar to a popular green one out there, but I think this one actually, to me, works just as well, if not better, in the application. I'm going to put it on this little old tractor. I already put it on the other side on the tire a couple weeks back. It's held air really well, and if you look, um, pretty pretty significant area I'm mowing. It's full at times of stickers and briars and all sorts of things, and put some in that other tire on the other side, and it's still holding air. It uses a some fibers. It says some type of, it says it'll protect pneumatic tires from small nails, thorns, and other punctures immediately, and it stays liquid in order to coat the inside of the tire. It uses an innovative fiber technology to plug leaks and prevent loss of air pressure, and then an advanced proprietary corrosion inhibitors protect all types of wheel, including steel, chrome, and alloy. So I've really I think this is a good product. It's worthy of consideration. We get it here local at a Higginbotham's. I'm sure you can get it online, and if I find a link for it online, I'll post the link down in the description. So just wanted to share that little product review. It's a good product. It's not a paid endorsement. They didn't contact me and ask me to do this or anything. I just think it's a good product and a good value. I think it was like $11, maybe a little more for this big bottle. So it's really a good value as well. So thanks again for watching. We're going to try to get some more videos going on here on the homestead now that we're here. Please like, subscribe. Let us know your experience with Berryman tire sealer. It's been around since 1918, a long time. So pretty good product. Thanks for watching.